Hey you guys, welcome back to a Turbo Rides production. Long time no see, the CRF is still out of commission. Part should be going on soon, more videos will be uploaded soon. But today, let's get into this video. We're going to be doing, don't worry, I already let the bike heat up before you guys give me some shit. It's actually still kind of a little chilly, but it's been cooling down for the past 15 minutes, so the pipe won't be that hot. But I let it heat up for a half hour. So today we're going to be here testing, sorry I don't have a mic plugged in or anything, we're going to be testing to see if the exhaust pipe of a dirt bike can break champagne, wine glass, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to hold this metal sheet down so the wine glass can't, oh my god, I almost fell. So you know what, actually we kind of need that there. Hold that down, that'll be secure, won't back up, okay. Anyways, so here we go, let's get into it. And yes, I'm gonna hold, oh god, oh no. This is actually really bad right now, because I only got one of these suckers. Okay, just key on and everything. Okay guys, now we're all set up. Should be good to go. Okay, attempt number 1. Doesn't want to break. I'll try it again. Guys, here we go. This is going to be attempt number 2. Not quite sure how it's going to work out. I'm going to position the camera right here though this time. Okay guys, here we go with attempt 2. I'm going to put something else on there to hold it down a little better. Okay, that didn't work. I was trying to make it so we could get a little more feel so we could get some backfires to make it, see if that could break it. guys out window Guys, did that even get on camera? Yeah, it did. GoPro started to fall, slide again. Even with all those crazy backfires, still. I mean, yeah, sure, it's just a 125. I don't really suspect it. I mean, it was a test, though, experiment. I mean, I can't really tap it with anything to prove that it's glass, but I mean, ooh, maybe this. Cotter pin. That's to prove to you it's glass. I mean, it's a little low, but I mean, it should. I mean, I didn't suspect it. I was like 40% it would break, 60 it wasn't gonna. Cause, I mean, it's just a 125. Doesn't have that much power. I mean, like 17 horsepower, maybe 14, 15. I don't know. Wild guess with all these parts on it. I mean, we can give her one last yee-haw and hope the glass goes. And I put a piece of metal, a cotter pin in there, so maybe that'll rattle around. I mean, at this point, I'm kind of just trying to break the glass. I mean, what better do I have to do than this? Probably got the lines a little dirty. It's kind of smoking a little there. Oh. Okay. Choke was on. Okay guys, one last yawn. I don't know what I was gonna say. Okay guys, I think that's going to end today's Turbo Rides production. Oh, it smells like Lysol in here. Disgusting. I'm going to die. Let me turn this thing off real quick. Okay guys. Anyway, so thank you for watching this video. If you did, leave a thumbs up.